Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale, at Butatingbowa. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Prime Time Daily ti jáde o. Lórí gbogbo insecurity tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n ní àwọn army gangan ló wà ní matter yìí o. Wọ́n ní àwọn army gangan. Wọ́n ní Tinubu ó ń bẹ̀rù àwọn army. Tẹ́ bá rí recently bóyá lánàá àbí ìjẹta, wọ́n ní àwọn repentant Boko Haram ládùúrú bí àwọn people yìí ṣe ń gba owó lọ́wọ́ àwọn èèyàn tó, ládùúrú bó ṣe ń cause havoc sínú family oní family, bó ṣe ń divide a lot of families, wọ́n ń dá insecurity lẹ́ Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n tún láti máa sọ pé wọ́n ti repent, wọ́n rehabilitate wọn. The question is how many years wọ́n ti lò nínú prison tó fi náà rehabilitate wọn? Kí lè tí wọ́n ṣe lè pa wọ́n? Prime Time Daily ní kí lè tán rí wọn tó ń ṣe lè pa wọ́n straight, kí ni kán máa rehabilitate wọn? Rehabilitation ìgangan náà ló ń cause insecurity Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n dẹ̀ tún ní President Tinubu náà ní serious warning pé kán avoid the pen gift, and more so àwọn rí interim government tó fẹ́ gba ìjọba ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ bàbá Tinubu pé interim government wọ́n ti ṣetán láti overtake, pé àwọn external countries, àwọn powerful people ló wà behind wọn. Wọ́n lè ṣetán àti gba ìjọba ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ bàbá Tinubu. So ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé ẹ fìdílé nǹkan, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ gbogbo prophecy lẹ́nu Prime Time Daily, because situation insecurity in Nigeria is getting out of hand. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní àwọn àmì wọn lọ́wọ́ nínú ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ káàkiri. Ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́.
Army generals are angry. That's Tinubu should pacify army generals. Tinubu should pacify them very well. Then the president should be careful of pen as a gift. Pen as a gift should be very careful, and should not use anybody's pen to sign except his own pen. These are very important warnings. Take it or you leave it. South Sudan president should release Benjamin, the first vice president, and some other political prisoners. Otherwise, prison will be full and the president will not be safe. The president should pray not to be bereaved. APC will definitely, if they did not pick the right person. That is one. Two, I see a name in Adamawa called Galadima. Galadima will not win, no. Sir, he will not win. Adamawa, Galadima is the person they want to use. If you use Galadima, APC will fail in Adamawa. There are better people to use that have this aura. They will step down a lot of people. They will step down a lot of people. Oh God. Well, insecurity. Talk to the northern elders. These are the people that can head insecurity. Without the northern elders, we will fight. And it's just unfortunate that military are also abating this, encouraging Boko Haram. Because we see that they say they are repentance, release them back to society. So it will increase if they are not doing the right justice for them. So let's blame government for increase in Boko Haram. That's what let's say. I say I should blame this government for increase in Boko Haram. It should have been one Boko Haram, one bullet. Or you sentence them, or you put them to firing squad. Tinubu is afraid of Boko Haram. And that's why there is increase in insecurity. The service chiefs, they are afraid of Boko Haram. That's why there is increase. They are encouraging them. That is the fact. And that's the message of the Lord. Take it or leave it. Do you know that if care is not taken, I am seeing an interim government? Because I see crisis, serious crisis that needs to be prevented. Maybe you are here when I said that Kuje prison, Kuje, few weeks ago, a few days ago, and we warned of airports, attack on airport. Yesterday there was a report that they want to attack Abuja airport, they want to attack Kuje prison. If a prophet will tell you like that, I don't know what the government think they are up to. Instead of saying, let's have a link. I'm not saying they should come and start worshiping me, or they take the word of this prophet seriously. That somebody have warned. You know that they want to attack Lagos Airport, International Muritala Airport. When we want a fire outbreak in Muritala Airport, did they list it? Doesn't that happen? Bomb scared is about to happen in Muritala Airport. Let me tell them. And of course, this Kanu prison too, or Kaduna prison, Kaduna prison, and they can strike in those places. Not Kuje alone. Interim government is loading. If the government did not do the right thing, interim, the date of election is not certain. They won't do that election. If they do it, it's going to cause problems. So, the moment they announce, say, APC they lead, Wala go scatter. And this interim government is supported by international community. 3 countries are behind it. Tinubu is going to fight a war you have not seen in politics. I'm telling you. No party should rejoice that we have won landslide. Have 100 governors, all the senators, does not give APC victory. And more so, the more APC is fighting ADC, you are making ADC more important, make them stronger, and they will be spreading their tentacles everywhere. North is going to be difficult for APC. I'm telling you the truth. Malawi vice president, current Malawi vice president, will take over from the president in the coming year election. David Beckham should be careful against surgery. David Beckham, a very popular artist in Yoruba, not Kwekwe, popular one. Let them prevent it with prayers. You don't understand. Let them prevent it. Let them prevent it. Where they adopt some students that wanted to write JAMB yesterday, we want the government, we want them. WAEC is coming now. Let them protect. We have to protect schools. Protect schools. Protect schools. These are the things that we disqualify Tinubu's government. Is it mine already? Itarani. Oh my God. Pastor Kokun will see. The prophets are not speaking the heart of God. They are all pretending. Let me say this in parable. Kinapo in parable. So you are being going to parable what? Ha. Elio Dabio. Correct new. That's why I said protect the NYSC. They are not listening. There is a sign to that effect. They will kidnap NYSC students. It's not good though. They will kidnap those who are going to do WAEC in a bus. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Finally, China will bring immunization to Nigeria. Nigeria government must not allow it to. Don't take China immunization. No. The Nigeria Minister of Health. Me, I don't talk my own. It go boomerang go. Don't say that way they put fillers for any ori we no sabi English. That time I go sabi English. You know the funniest part of it? They will soon kidnap a minister in Tinubu's cabinet. And a top general that will shake army. Watch out. This is very, very important and very significant. Watch out. Don't joke. It's serious. It's important. President Tinubu, CIA is monitoring your government. Seriously. CIA, they are monitoring your government. Be watchful. I don't know, maybe it's check or not check, but check will change. Check that they are using to collect money in bank. The method will change. It might not be check. It might be something. Maybe digitalize something. But I don't know. It's not going to be checked. Then we are going to see a digitalized currency in Nigeria.